How to check old messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Scroll down to the end to view all your old messages on this phone. Open any to view the conversation. You can also search for any specific message that you're looking for. Go back and type in the text message that you're looking for in the search bar. For example, "Hey." As you can see, you will now get your previous text messages containing the word "hey" in them in the results. Tap on any to open the conversation. Go back and tap on "See all above" to view all the message results. Following these steps, you can easily check old messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.